I rescue, repair these poor pieces of wood and get them working again. To them,
I'm the Resurrectionist.
Ahoy hoy. We should start off by saying, sometime later.
4 to 6 weeks later.
This is an introduction that's been recorded afterwards, when I've been editing the videos of the Resurrectionist and found that the camera didn't record this introduction and setting up and showing what was wrong with this guitar, which is a bit of a shame because there was a fair bit of work. From what I remember, the issues were these. This was a guitar that had been bought in probably the tens for a school. On the on the back was a lovely sticker with the guy's name and address and the local grammar school on it. Lots of things were wrong. Plate on the back here was an upside down. It was covered in grime and rust. I think we were missing a knob there. Some of the screws wrong. The fretboard was filthy. Did I have to remove the nut on this? Was this that one? The nut seems to be okay, so I don't know if it was this one that I removed the nut on. It was, however, missing our nice exit port, or output jack if you prefer, and it required a bit of a clean. Anyway, sped up, here's what I did, using of course my favourite two components. First one, sorry again, microphone, new microphone, getting used to it. Crimson's fretboard cleaner, and then rejuvenation oil, lemon oil if you don't or can't afford Crimson's brand. Lemon oil is very good, along with a little bit of a light scratchy cloth. Second of all, Goo Gone, an American product, very much like lemon oil actually. Is very good for removing stickers and all sorts of blemishes and muck on your guitar. Once you've finished cleaning it, I still recommend top of the box Mr. Sheen. Should be something a little more special than that. But anyway, off to the workshop we go. In the past, about a month ago actually. Later. Ahoy, welcome back on the Resurrectionist, and I've finished resurrecting this, which is, if you remember, the Peavey Raptor Plus EXP. Who knows what that stands for? As I was going through this guitar and playing around with it, there's some things which I really think need to be brought to attention. It is a Strat type guitar, but they've changed the body shape slightly. This is a longer, thinner top horn and a nicer, shorter but rounder bottom. Maybe it's my own taste, but I think that's... Is it brave in going to a new style of body slightly? Is it just to get out of any legal hassle with Fender? I doubt it. But well done for them for going for something a little bit different and keeping the volume and tone as singles rather than the bizarre second tone. It's got a humbucker and 2 singles. What work did this need? First of all, I got the goo gone out and got rid of all the slime and stuff on top of it. Then Pledge, or Mr. Pledge, or Mr. Sheen, or whatever it's called, to give it all a nice clean. The same with the metalwork, which I had to do quite a bit of work on. The neck and the fretboard, well, the fretboard, we gave it a clean with a fretboard cleaner. The amount of muck that comes off fretboards is quite astonishing, but then always feed your wood afterwards and give it a nice oil. Lemon oil, orange oil, if you've got the money, professional fretboard oil. But anyway, it's all set up now. It's got new jack plate, new knob there. These start at about 120 to 140 pounds, I think. This has hardly been used. It was a school one. We've got the serial number on the back and the CE mark still. I think this is an excellent beginner's guitar, yet again. So I would say 60 or 70 pounds for this. Well, bridge sounds good. Of course, it's a humbucker. I was wondering why it's quite so loud. So it's one coil of the humbucker and the middle pickup. Nice. Middle. That's nice. Mid and neck. That's way out of tune already. Well, that's the problem with new strings. I did stretch them, but let's go for another tune up. I'm not liking that. And just the neck. I think that's jolly good. For a beginner's guitar, from a manufacturer of amps, and they've gone out of their way to do what I would like from a Strat actually, and made it nice and affordable. They've got an individual shape, slightly. You've got a humbucker, 2 singles, proper controls, maple neck with a dark wood fretboard. That's beautiful. 60 or 70 pounds I'd say that should go for. Tell me what you think. Anyway, that's all for the Resurrectionist this week. Subscribe here, more videos down there, and here come some cats if you're good.